On today's video transcribed recipe adventure, we're going to take our Romesco sauce from last week and we're going to pair that with pan-seared shrimp and some linguine noodles. Welcome to Gourmet Fishing. I'm your host, David Murray. Hey, we've got everything we need right here, so let's go ahead and get started on our shrimp linguine Romesco sauce dish right now. Let's go ahead and get started on our Romesco linguine shrimp dish. We've got everything we need right here. We got some shrimp. I got about 8 large shrimp. We got 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 clove of garlic. We got about 4 to 5 tablespoons of our Romesco sauce, a little bit of cayenne pepper, a lemon, some basil, and a little salt. And we got noodles behind me. So I tell you, let's go ahead and get rolling. Hopefully this isn't gonna be too hot. Okay, it's not bad at all. So we're gonna melt our butter just like that. And while that's melting, let's come over here, grab our garlic, and just give that a good squash and drop it right in there, just like that. Heck yeah. So we're gonna get that going. Turn that heat down on about a medium. Getting a little bit of a brown butter going here. Not too much. Let's see here. All right, so now I'm going to come in here and we're going to add our shrimp. This is going to be a fairly quick cook, just like so. Boom. Now, what I have done is I've peeled the shrimp. 2 of the shrimp I've left the tails on for decoration. The other ones, they're just completely, clean and ready to go. And we're gonna flip these. I mean, boom. How simple is that? Heck, man, we're almost done. Now I did talk to you about the noodles. I just went ahead and threw those in boiling water, cooked them 5-10 minutes, something like that. Whatever it says on the package, just kind of follow that. But here we go. I tell you what, I'm gonna come in, add a little bit of lemon juice to that. Just like so. Oh yeah, that's gonna be delicious. Voila. Okay, come in with a little salt. Boom, don't need all of that. Come in here with a little bit of cayenne pepper. Just like so. We don't need to overpower that. Check that out. Boom. Boom. Those guys are done. That's all we need to do. We just want to get them cooked. Now next we're going to come in with our a bowl, and we're going to come in and get our noodles ready. Add those just like that. And I am going to come back in and add just a little bit of that pasta water. Not a lot, just a tad, so we can get a lot of that starch in there. And now we've got our Romesco sauce. And just like that, we're gonna add it. Oh man, that smells delicious. Yes, so in you go here, and we're just gonna come in here and toss this around, just like that. Heck yeah. Oh wow, ready? Oh man, I tell you what, we got that nice and coated. Wow, you know what I think I am gonna do? Come back and I'm gonna add just a hint of our shrimp goodies to that. Just like that. That's all we need. Just a little bit of goodness from those pan-seared shrimp with a little bit of that, with the lemon juice and the garlic and the cayenne. There you go, just like that. I tell you what, let's come over here, grab us a plate. Hey, we're plating. How about that, man? Wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. Just like so. And we're gonna come in and we're just gonna add on top. Oh wow, check that out. Wow, that looks good. Yeah, It's gonna be El Delicioso here in a second. Now, let's see, we're gonna come in and we're just gonna add our shrimp right on top. Again, simple, easy. That little guy was pretty daggone hot. since it was, well, you know, just pan seared. Just like that. Get this little guy, I don't know where you'll go right there. Let's see here. Now, what are we gonna do? Tell you, we're gonna come in, add a little bit of green to that. Go upside down like this. Whoop, making a mess. And then let's see, what can we do with these guys right here? I don't know, something like this, maybe. And then after I got my little piece of basil, now I've got it hidden behind the shrimp. Daggone it, oh well. I tell you what, we got some of these right here. Let's see, what will we do? I tell you what, I'm gonna get rid of you. And let's see, you know what, I think we'll just kind of give this a nice little rough cut, just like that. Be careful, don't cut yourself. And now we're just gonna come in and give that a little color, just like so. I tell you what, yes, I'm gonna come in and I'm gonna add just a little bit more of lemon to that. Out the way, Mr. Knife. And then, voila, how about that? Wow, simple and easy. Oh, wow, there it is right there. There is our pan-seared shrimp on linguine and tossed with our Romesco sauce. Oh man, how about that? All right, it's time to give it a little bit of a taste. I think this is gonna be good and I'm gonna enjoy it. So I'm gonna come in here, I'm just gonna grab one of the noodles with the Romesco sauce on it, just like so. And I just made a little bit of a mess. What do we got here? Let's give it a shot, all right? Wow, that is delicious, man. You get that pop of the bell peppers, get a little hit of the cayenne pepper from obviously that right there. But we also add a little cayenne to our Romesco sauce. Wow, that is delicious. And I sure hope y'all give that a shot. It is good. Yes, sir, man, check that out. Again, I hope y'all do try this. If you want the recipe, it's in the link down below, or go to gourmetfishing.com. Got everything over there you need. Hey, right down here, little shrimp Diablo. How's that? Hey, and oh, right there. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and subscribe. It all helps us out. And until next time, God bless, and we'll see you soon.